Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make 5 Star Dorothee Snow Sculpture in Heartopia. First, make sure you have already unlocked the snow sculpting hobby and reach level 5. If you don't know how to unlock or level it up, just check the tutorial links in the descriptions below to watch the tutorials. And then now the important part, to get the 5-star Dorothee Snow Sculpture like this one, you must sculpturing the sunny weather, rainy and rainbow weather. So wait for one of these before starting. And then next begin the snow sculpting. And then next just begin the snow sculpting mini game, and during the tapping rounds just try to clear as many rounds as possible. The more rounds you successfully complete, the higher your chances to obtain a perfect 5-star sculpture like this. You will get the perfect sculpture like this. So just remember, for the correct weather and many completed rounds will make the best chance for Dorothee 5-star sculpture like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.